Hello everyone, we have already uploaded several videos of differentiation and quadratic equation for JEE Main. Today we shall discuss about the function f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy and this type of differentiation. I have uploaded a similar video in this type. I have already uploaded same type of problem in the previous video. Today I shall also discuss the remaining problem in this type. So let us start today's class. It is given that if f of x plus y is equal to 2 into fx plus fy for all xy belongs R, for all xy belongs R, where f dash 0 is equal to 3 and f of 4 is equal to 2, then f dash 4 equals to 6, 12, 4 and none. Okay, I have already said to you that the definition of differentiation is that limit x tends to c f of x minus f of c by x minus c, this is equal to f dash c, or you can write it in this way that x minus c is equal to h, x tends to c, then h tends to 0. This means that limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus f of c by h, then this is equal to f dash c means limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h minus f of c by h. So we get limit h tends to 0 f of c plus h means f of 4 plus f dash 4 equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 4 plus h minus f of 4 by h. Now it is given that f of x plus y is equal to 2 into fx into fy. So f of 4 plus h, this is equal to 2 into f of 4 into f of h. So we put here limit h tends to 0 2 into f of 4 into f of h minus f of 4. You can write f of 4 in this way, that f of 4 plus 0, and again f of 4 plus 0 is equal to 2 into f of 4 into f of 0 by h. So this is equal to limit h tends to 0 2 into f of 4 into f of h minus 2 into f of 4 into f of 0 divided by h, and this is equal to limit h tends to 0, taking f of 4 common, 2 into f of 4, we get this is equal to f of h minus f of 0 by h. So 2 into f of 4 limit h tends to 0 f of h minus f of 0 by h minus 0. This leads to the definition that limit x tends to c fx minus f of c by x minus c is equal to f dash c. So this transforms to, this is equal to 2 into f of 4 into f dash 0. All the values of f of 4 and f dash 4 is given. F dash 0 is equal to 3, f of 4 is equal to 2 and this is equal to 2. So this is 3 into 6 into 2, this is equal to 12. 12 is your particular answer. And B is your correct answer. This is a very beautiful sum. There is a twist here that f of 4, you write here f of 4 plus 0. That means f of 4 plus 0 against 2 into f of 4 into f of 0, and taking 2 into f of 4, we get the result. So next, our problem is the next example is, if f R2R be a function f of x plus y is equal to fx plus fy for all xy belongs R, and fx is equal to x cube gx for all xy belongs R, where gx is continuous, then f dash x equals to g of 0, g dash 0, 0, and d is none. Our next problem is, if f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy for all xy belongs R, if fx is equal to 1 plus x gx plus x square gx into phi x, such that limit x tends to 0 gx is equal to a and limit x tends to 0 phi x is equal to b, then f dash x equals to a plus b fx, a into fx, b into fx, and d is equal to none. The problem looks like a very tough problem, but it is a very easy solution. It has a very easy solution. Just take a look. What we have to do is that f dash x, that means limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h. Then limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h means fx into f of h, then f of x into f of h minus f of x divided by h. Now taking fx as common, we get limit h tends to 0 f of h minus 1 by h. F of x means it is given that f of x is equal to 1 plus x gx plus x square gx into phi x. So f of h means f of x limit h tends to 0, f of h means 1 plus h g of h plus h square gh phi h minus 1 by h. Cancelling 1, we get fx into limit h tends to 0 h gh plus h gh into phi h. We take h as common, then we get cancelling h tends to 0 means this is fx into g of 0, and this is 0 into something means 0 plus 0. So your limit x tends to 0 gx is equal to a. That means g of 0 means g of 0, this is equal to a. So this is equal to a into fx. So your required answer is, this is B. B is the right answer. I am again and again repeating a fact is that you always focus in this f dash x. that is I want to say is that the definition of f dash x. What is the definition of f dash x? F dash x means limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus fx by h, and your fx is given, and this f of x plus h means according to problem fx plus fy, fx plus fh. So what we get from here, limit h tends to 0 fx plus fh minus fx divided by h, cancelling fx, we get limit h tends to 0 fh by h, limit h tends to 0 fh by h. Now fx is given, fx is x cube gx, so f of h means h cube gh, limit h tends to 0 h cube gh by h. This is h square, limit h tends to 0, 0 into g of 0. 0 into something means 0. Since gx is continuous, you can do it in this way. Gx is continuous, then limit x tends to 0 gx is equal to g of 0. That means 0 into g of 0 is equal to 0. So C is your correct answer. C is the correct answer. Okay. Now I shall give you two homework for you. First is that if f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy, for all xy belongs R, and if f of 0 is equal to 1, f of 3 is equal to 3, and f dash 0 is equal to 12, then find f dash 3. This is PT Kerala 17, and the second sum is if f of x plus y is equal to fx into fy for all xy belongs R, and f of 6 is equal to 3, f of 6 is equal to 3, and f dash 0 is equal to 10, then find f dash 6. This is PT PET Kerala 2006. These types of sums are very important for you. So take these two homework, and I shall next meet you in the next video. Okay, thank you.